Hello children, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn EVS 2. Chapter 6, The Oath of Swaraj. The temple at Raireshwar. To the southwest of Pune, there is a beautiful spot called Raireshwar, famous for its temple. In the year 1645, an extraordinary event took place there. Shivaji and a few Mavlas from the neighboring valley had gathered there. Why had they come to this lovely spot hidden in deep forest? What did they discuss and what favor did they ask of Lord Shiva? The fiery eloquence of young Shivaji. Shivaji was still quite young, but his mind was already busy planning big things. He opened his mind to his playmates and said, "My dear friends, today I am going to talk to you about something which is in my mind for a long time. My father Shahaji Raje is a Sardar at the court of Bijapur. It is he who has given me the charge of this Jagir. Everything is going on well and peacefully. But friends, I am not happy. Must we always remain satisfied as bondmen of the Sultan? Must we always eat out of other people's hand? We are surrounded on all sides by foreign kingdoms which are constantly at war. Our people get killed for nothing during these wars, and family after family gets uprooted. Our country suffers destruction. And what do we get out of all this? Nothing but slavery. How long shall we continue to tolerate this? How long shall we lay down our lives for others? Shall we allow this to continue just for the sake of a small watan? What have you to say about all this?" Shivaji was speaking with great emotion and his face was red with anger. In the middle of his speech, he stopped and looked at his companions. The young Mavlas gathered there in the inner sanctum of Raireshwar were greatly thrilled by Shivaji's speech. They had seen a new vision. One of them said, "Our young prince, tell us clearly whatever is in your mind. We are prepared. We are anxious to do your bidding." "Yes, Rajay," they all said with one voice. "We are with you. We shall do whatever you say at the cost of our lives, if needed be." The Oath of Swaraj. Shivaji got fresh inspiration from their words. Looking at each one of them, he said, "Friends, our path is clear. We shall all strive to attain our ideal, work for it till it is achieved. All should be ready even to sacrifice their lives for this ideal, which is Hindavi Swaraj. We will have our own Raj, yours and mine and everybody's. We refuse to live as slave anymore. Let us take this oath with Lord Raireshwar as witness. We give ourselves completely to the great task of establishing our own Raj, Swaraj." The temple echoed the words of Shivaji. God thinks that this kingdom should take shape as Hindavi Swaraj. We shall see that God's wishes fulfilled. So the Mavlas left the temple, committed to the oath of freedom of Swaraj. The mind of Shivaji was filled with great joy. As soon as he reached Pune, he went straight to Lal Mahal to see his mother. He described to her all that took place at Raireshwar. Overjoyed, Jijabai thought with satisfaction that Shivaji could accomplish what was always in her mind. With this, I end the half part of the chapter. Remaining part we are going to do in the next period. Thanks for watching.